Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is a Hazel and today we are diving into how to bug your microphone on Android. Without wasting our time, let's start the video. First of all, go to the settings. Here scroll down to the apps. Tap on manage apps. Here scroll down to search for phone calls. So tap on this phone and here you have to tap on app permissions and make sure that the microphone permission is allowed or this option is enabled. After that, go back and tap on storage. So here tap on clear data and clear cache and clear all data. After that, go back and then here go to the Google search. Here on the top right corner, tap on your profile, tap on settings, tap on voice. Here speech output it's full, so enable it to full. Offline speech recognition, here auto updates are enabled, so you have to enable it. After that, again go to the settings, tap on about phone. Here tap on all spaces. Here you have to tap on the kernel version for 5 times and you'll be able to test your microphone and debug it. So you'll get the option of testing the main microphone and sub microphone. From there you can test your microphone and manage it. If this does not help you fix your problem, you can restart your phone or reboot your phone after these steps, or you can simply clean the speaker, or you can reset your phone through the factory reset as well. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for today and I'll see you in the next one.